Hey y'all, it's Bro, and you saw the thumbnail and title. We're unboxing a blue iPad 10th generation. The reason I got the blue is because it matches my iPhone 14. And let's get started. Satisfying peel. Flip it over and let the iPad.
Wait a minute!
It's taking a second. So we have the iPad right here. I'm gonna set this off to the side for a second, and I'm gonna see what's inside the box. So we have this manual with the stickers and then the box. It has the iPad instructions, the manual, and then the stickers inside of it. And then inside of it, it has a USB-C block. And then it has a braided USB-C to USB-C cable. And then move the box out of the way. And let's open the iPad. It's a really nice blue color. Looks really good. And I'm gonna just power it on. It's on the power button. And then the Apple logo. If you can't tell, I'm really excited. Just wait for it to boot up. It's a really nice Apple logo. Ooh. It has the hello screen. Okay, so I'm gonna do all this real quick and check out how everything looks. And I'll come back after I finish setting this up. Okay, y'all, it's been about like 2-ish months since I got the iPad. I've gotten a case and all that. I've gotten the iPad 10th generation blue with 64 gigabytes. Pretty sure it's the same as my phone, but got a case, and I am going to show you guys what the screen looks like, how the camera looks. It's pretty good. This is how it looks. I really do like it. I love being able to just, watch the world's best YouTuber. But I love this. The camera is pretty good. Say hi. Now the front-facing camera is pretty good. Hi. But this is really good. I love this iPad. It was definitely a good investment in Byte. But thank you guys so much for watching. Have a nice day. Bye, y'all.